In this lesson we're going to look at the last type of average, which is called the median. So looking again at our 13 prizes in order of size, then the middle value is highlighted on the list. This is the value that splits the list into two equal smaller lists, and that's called the median. Now the median is the middle value when there's an odd number of numbers, it's exactly in the middle, but when there's an even number of numbers, then it's halfway between the two middle values. Now the other thing is that the data values must be in order from smallest to highest. If they're not, then the middle value could quite easily be the smallest value or the highest value, which wouldn't make any sense. The middle value has to be the average, okay, and that should be somewhere that's not in the highest value or the lowest value. So let's look at some of the examples here. Find the median of the following list. So if we look at these numbers, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's 11 data items. So there is an exactly middle value. Now the middle value is, I usually count in with both hands, both fingers, from here and here until I get to the middle, but I can't actually do that on here, which is a bit of a nuisance. But you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this side and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that side leaves this value, just change that there, leaves this value here in the middle. So you can see 5 that side and 5 that side, there's your middle value. I usually count in, start with one finger there and one finger there, then move this one in and that one in, so I'm at this 6 and this 1, then I move to this 1 and this 5, and then 2 and 4, finally you're at 2 and 4 there, and then you can put your hands in the middle value. So in this case the median is 3. Right, well, what do we do when there's an even number of numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, if you come in 4 places from this side and 4 places from that side, you'll see the middle is right between 14 and 15. Now you can probably just spot that that's 14.5 or 14.5. What if these numbers were harder to do that with? What if it was 12 and this was 31? Well, the easiest thing to do is add the two numbers and divide by 2. So I'm going to show you how to do that here. 14 plus 15 divided by 2. Now that comes to 29 over 2, which is 14.5. Okay, in this example here, we've got this list of numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. The problem is that they're not in order. So we need to put them in order from smallest to highest. So the 1s come first, there's 3 of them. Then there's a 2, then there's a 3, then there's a 5, and a 7 and a 7 and an 8. So now we can look for the middle number. So what was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. So if we come in 4 each side, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, there's the number right in the middle. So that's the median. Okay, and lastly, we've got this data set here. Now again, they're not in order, so we must put them in order first. So you can see the 3s are the smallest number, and then put them all in, the 4 3s. And then 4s, there's 4 4s. And then there's 2 5s. And then there's a 6 and a 7. A good thing to do here is to check you've got the same amount of numbers. That's a good check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now the halfway point of 12 is 6. So if you come in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is between these two middle values. So somewhere between 4 and 4. Well, if you add 4 and 4 and divide by 2, you're going to get 4 again. Or just between the two numbers you can see that there's a 4. Okay, so 4 is your median. Now the way to remember that median is the middle value is it looks very similar to the word middle. There's the same number of letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They both start with an M and they've both got a D in the middle. That's the easiest way to remember that. Okay, so just a quick review of what happened there. The mean, you add all the information up and divide by how many there are. The mode is the most, that's the word associated with this, it's the same size. Mode's the most commonly occurring value. Median is the middle number in an ordered data set, and the range is the highest number take away the lowest number. There is a video on YouTube. If you wanted to see that, this would be it. I don't think you do, but I'm going to play it anyway to play this out.